All right, I'm here at, where am I?
3580 Nutmeg Court.
You heard it from Patrick the man, 3580 Nutmeg Court. This is the guy that keeps trying to get me with chocolate. Every time I go into one of his listings, he has candy, so I stopped going in them. No, I didn't. Anyway, I'm here because this home got a little bit of an update, and I want you to see exactly what it looks like now that there's no carpet. So let's go take a look. There was a little bit of a price increase, but now you can just imagine all of your things, and I can see you sitting right here watching TV, can't you? All right, let's go take a look around and check out the new update to this property, and when you're ready to buy it, you call me and I'll give you a bag of candy. Well, Patrick will give you the candy. He's the one that has it. I just have lasagna. All right, let's go take a look. All right, take a look. 75% of this home, oh, I got my flippy flops on, I get them off, had been carpet, and now it's this pretty laminate. So it's kind of like a grayish brown. So we have tile floor in the wet areas. Going back through just real quick. And this is, I'm going to show you what the house looked like before. And now what it looks like. All right, and then we have more laminate here. In the bath, in the master. Of course, this still has tile. They didn't do anything with tile. Just got rid of all the carpeting, because when it comes down to it, most people do not want carpet. And this home, they're my shoes, is right around the corner from Belglade Country Club off of Moyer Loop, here in the Villages, the village of LaBelle. And of course, we've been through this home before, but we're just gonna take a quick look. This was carpet before, now hardwood, or laminate, excuse me. All right, now, this is what, we have the guest suite, and this is a 3-3. Mind you, 3 bed, 3 bath. All right, so this is what it looked like before. And we're gonna go back to the after. Yeah, 3 bed, 3 bath is very hard to come by, but this is a winner. All right, so what do you think of the new updates? Carpet? Nah. The hardwood floor looks good, or I keep saying hardwood floor, oh my gosh. All right, the laminate looks fantastic. So make sure if you are interested in seeing this home, you give me a call. All right, I've been doing this, but Robyn Cavallaro, I'm a realtor here in Florida. I think this one may be a keeper. Who wants it? Call me.